Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to the Sugar Crystal Kitchen. This week I'm showing you guys my take on a classic recipe, how to make chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are one of my favorites. They're super simple to make, and with the weather getting chillier nowadays, these are perfect. Who doesn't like a warm cookie on a cold day? So let's get started. Into a glass bowl, melt 1 stick of unsalted butter in the microwave and add in a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. Then give this all a good whisk. Then add in your 1 egg and splash in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then whisk it all together. As you guys can see, I'm working by hand today because I actually really love working with dough by hand. It really gives you a nice hands-on feel, but if you want, you can of course use a stand mixer. Then in a separate bowl, add in 2/3 cup of flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then give it all a good whisk and add it into your wet mixture. And you want to switch over to a spatula, working slowly, making sure not to overmix your dough or else your cookie won't spread. And then add in 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using mini ones because they're so cute, but you can use as much as you want and whatever kind of chocolate you want. Then spoon about a tablespoon of dough into your hand and roll them into little balls. Make sure to spread them out equally on a parchment-lined baking sheet. And bake them off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes until they're nicely golden brown. And that's it for how to make these delicious chocolate chip cookies. They're super simple and quick, and if you want, you can always wrap up the dough and pop it into the freezer and just take it out and thaw it, and then you can bake and have fresh cookies anytime. These are great with a cold cup of milk. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys!